Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Utilize the smart thermostat scheduling feature by setting lower temperatures when you're asleep or away from home and adjusting to more comfortable temperatures only when you're home. Embrace the eco mode if available, as it optimizes energy usage based on your heating and cooling patterns. Regularly review energy usage reports most smart thermostats offer to identify further opportunities for savings. Maintain moderate thermostat settings, as drastic temperature fluctuations consume more energy. Leverage geofencing capabilities to automatically adjust settings based on your smartphone's location, further enhancing efficiency and savings.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.